guys, and good morning, and it's good morning for me, and welcome back to this video. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video guys, I'm gonna show you how to make a very beautiful hair serum. It's really simple. There are two ways I'm showing you. So one is going to be if you're not into making skincare formulations, because a lot of the audience on my YouTube channel, they are into skincare formulations. So if you are into it, you can add the preservative, and if you are not into it, you can just very well make it, keep it in the fridge, use for 4 to 5 days or even up to a week, and then remake it. Okay, this is what I'm talking about. Now this is a rosemary serum is what I like to call it, and it's amazing for your hair. Okay, so now as you can see, I have straight hair. I have just washed. I have done a haircut to kind of make my hair feel a little bit like some volume, some shape. So I have made this serum. It's very simple. I will soon be uploading a part 2 to this video, because in that I'm going to show you another way, a more like not a DIY type of a product which you can make. So I'm going to show you that as well. Just wait in some time, and it works really well. So let's quickly get started with the video. Let me tell you everything, how to make it, and at the end of the video I'll show you how to use the product as well. Okay, so let's get started. Now in a bowl you want to take water. Either take your normal Aroka water or take distilled water. Okay, and in that you have to add fresh cleaned rosemary. Don't go for the dried rosemary, it does not work the same way. So you want to take the fresh clean rosemary, and this is where I'm going to be making my serum. Make sure wherever you are making it, the area is clean and there's not too much going on and there's not too much confusion. Then take a pan, and in that pan add your water and rosemary. Now guys, rosemary is really good for dandruff, for hair fall. If you have bald spots, rosemary is good for all of that. And what we are making is a very natural way of making the serum. Now what you want to do is you want the rosemary extract to get infused into the water, and for that we are going to heat the whole mixture of water and rosemary. Make sure you're not keeping it on very high, keep it on low to medium heat. Okay, don't want to overheat the rosemary, and make sure you're keeping a lid on top, otherwise the water will evaporate. Again, not what we want. Okay, after some time you will see the water color turn slightly yellowish, and that is exactly what you want. If you want, you can keep it for longer as well. Okay, now what I did is when it turned that greenish yellow color, I just removed it and I'm keeping it here to cool down. Now once it cools down, this is what you will get. Okay, this is the kind of color you are looking for. After this, you just have to separate the rosemary from the water. So what I am using is, I'm using this big sieve, ya garni, what we call, or whatever. You basically have to separate it. So I'm using this big one, and I'm first going to strain the water. And but guys, see, this one was not good enough, so I had to again use the smaller strainer, because the rosemary leaves, they are kind of small. Okay, so as you can see now in this, you will just see in a second, there's a small, like, can you see that there are three small particles? So I had to sieve it again, and I removed it in this beaker. Okay, now guys, if you just keep this rosemary serum like that, it is not good enough. So the first thing we are going to add is xanthan gum and glycerin. Okay, xanthan gum is an emulsifier, so whatever oil you add in this product, the xanthan gum will to a very small extent emulsify the oil. Right now I was not able to hold the camera in one hand and add the xanthan gum mixture because it's slightly sticky. So it is xanthan gum and glycerin. If you go and see my earlier video, you will know how to use xanthan gum. And these are the two fragrances I'm choosing to add. However, you can completely skip this part out. Okay, then after that guys, I'm adding in the preservative, 1% of the preservative, and as you can see, it's not a water soluble one, so it is it's forming a layer on top. So now what I will do is I'm going to nicely mix it so that the preservative properly gets mixed into the water. Okay, it's really important that you do that. And uske baad I have just filled this in 2 spray bottles guys. Please remember, when you are making any skincare product like this at home, either keep it in the fridge and use it up in 5 to 7 days. But if you want to use it for longer than that, you have to add in a preservative like I have done. So I hope you have enjoyed the video. Now let me quickly show you how to use it. Now as you can see, I have done 2 packaging. This is the one I showed you in the video. After that, just a little bit from this I have removed out in this, and I use it in 2 ways. Now this thing is actually really good for your hair strands as well, because we have added glycerin, and even just rosemary water on its own, it really softens the hair strands as well, is what I've observed. The spray, you can just spray on your hair like this, something like this, and let it sit, and within like 2-3 minutes you will see your hair feels really soft. Guys, in this we have added glycerin as well, so that gives a really nice shine to the hair. And the other way to use the serum is on your scalp. So you just take a serum bottle, take your serum, and you want to push this thing inside and just apply. Okay, make sure it's going all on the scalp. And once you are done, make sure you are applying on parts. Sorry, I was looking at myself. Make sure you apply it on parts where you actually feel your hair is lesser, you want your hair to be stronger there. So I apply on my front portions, on this middle parting, because I have a middle parting, and also like just everywhere else. And then once you apply, you just want to massage it into your skin, and that's it. Now the best part about this is, even if you apply this in the morning after shower, after bath, it does not make your hair very sticky or heavy. And I am saying this, I'm a person who has like straight hair, very thin hair. If you have frizzy hair and stuff, this is gonna be a lifesaver for you, trust me. And yeah, I really hope you guys end up making this, because it's absolutely worth it. Also, I want to just put a small disclaimer out there. If you can see this blush, I've put a hint of this blush, and this blush is the one that I make. It's a water-based lip and cheek tint, and we are selling this in bulk. However, I am planning to upload a video, but you guys let me know if you really want to see it. And guys, if you end up making this, I want to know in the comments, how is it working. Also guys, the ingredients for these products very easily available on Amazon. Rosemary is available on Swiggy, so it's really handy. Just Amazon and Swiggy and you'll find everything. Okay, also these spray bottles, these serum bottles, if you have anything at home that's about to get over, just wash that, dry that, kind of spray some rubbing alcohol in it and reuse it. Otherwise, you can always get these products, these bottles on Amazon as well. And it's not that expensive, 200-300 bucks you'll get like 2-3 bottles. I think that's fair enough if you're just buying a small quantity. Anyways, so I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you really soon in the next video. Bye guys.